Hello everyone and welcome to In Your Space by Milagro Interiors. Today I'm going to show you a video of a home staging that I did in Woodbridge, Ontario, and I'm going to walk you through. There are many challenges now with COVID, so we provide a COVID kit with every home staging that we do. The kit contains mask, hand sanitizer, and gloves. For this particular staging, it is called occupied staging. That is where I use the owner's furniture as well as bringing in my own pieces and decor. I brought in some accessories to completely transform the space. So for this space, it wasn't utilized as two separate spaces, so I brought more function into the space by adding a seating area to have it separated from the dining room. This space was completely transformed. It's a lot brighter now. We painted the walls a lighter color. We covered the damaged furniture, painted the glass table to match the metallic decor that I brought in, changed the carpeting, and it looks amazing. For the kitchen, it just needed some decluttering. We need to clear the countertops because that's major real estate in a kitchen and you want to see the countertops. Feeling good today. Feeling good today. For the backyard, it was empty. It didn't have any furniture, so I brought in some pieces to show the functionality. For the bedrooms, we just decluttered and brought in some art pieces and decor to finish it off. Feeling good today. And this space has a dark desk. It's dark, it's bulky, makes the space look a little small. So we added a glass table and a ghost chair to brighten it up, modernize it, and make it have more of a flow. For this bedroom, I suggested that they change the positioning of the bed because Feng Shui, the bed should face the doorway, not the opposite way. It has more function and more flow. My client had converted this bedroom into an home office and we just decluttered a little bit, organized the furniture, added some decor and some great art pieces to complete it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on the next video. Ciao for now.